Hello and welcome to my fourth Kickstarter campaign for 3D Printer Academy. I'm super excited about this one. This one is my Fusion 360 for 3D Printing Masterclass. And if you don't know what Fusion 360 is, it's a very powerful 3D modeling program where you can design practically anything. So I'll be taking you through almost all the Fusion 360's features. Very excited about it. It's a very comprehensive course. There's over 200 video lessons. And I'll be going through a lot of things. It's geared basically for beginners to intermediate. So if you have some 3D modeling skills, then that's great. If you don't have any at all, then that's okay too. This course is designed to take you from scratch so you can learn everything there is to know about how to design your own really cool things. I have a background in engineering. This is my fourth campaign. I have 42 of the lessons already complete. My last campaign, I was selling the designs for these 3D printable marble machines. So in the course, I'll have some practical projects as well as some fun ones, just like the marble machines. I've also designed this gearbox here. This is really fun. A lot of people really liked this gearbox. And yeah, so by the end of the course, you'll be able to design your own cool things, just like the ones that I showed you there. I'm very excited again. This will be a really fun course, and you'll learn a lot of things, and you'll have some things to show for at the end. I'll teach you everything from the 3D modeling to the settings for 3D printing. Very comprehensive, and you'll definitely have a lot of skill by the end of the course. I definitely guarantee that, because with 200 lessons, all the features, I've been 3D printing now for years. You can see my 3D printer over there is printing right now. And yeah, so once again, I look forward to having you in my course. Check out the details below. I have some example lessons and the complete course outline. The areas highlighted in green are the videos that I've already finished, and I'll be updating that throughout the campaign. So by the end of the campaign, I should have all of the videos complete. So by the end of the campaign, you'll be able to access the video content right away. And thanks again, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help.